I don't trust these glue joints and all these knots enough to put this on the lathe. I also don't have my router mill jig built yet, so I'm going to use the disc sander and just sneak up on this circle that I traced from this disc. It will end up being 11 and 15/16 inches.
I'm gonna move this. That was like all elbow.
I spent more time than I care to admit on this butt plate and snare throw. We've decided we need a couple plugs to hold some nuts captive. That's our scrap bucket, as well as the dust that is all over the shop. So Bill's gonna cut us a few plugs. Do you think we need to top coat it with a quick shot of lacquer, or is it good?
I don't know, and I would be concerned about that damaging it, so if you want to do that, we should try it on that little test strip first.
It's not going anywhere. Okay, we got everything oiled. We made 2x4 butt plate, snare throw. They work with countersinks for the bolt heads, captive nuts to pull everything together. They get secured to the shell with some drywall screws. Lugs get secured with 1/4-20 bolts, nuts, washers, lock washers. Rims get attached with tension rods, which are basically just bolts with a different head for a drum key. Let's go. I guess we'll just get some footage of this. One of us can start threading the lugs, and one of us can put these rollers on. Oh, this is the part that gets threaded. Will it work? It sucks, it's not straight.
Yeah, what looks straight and what doesn't might change when the head's around. It looks better.
I don't have any experience with a catgut.
So this is our finished 2x4 snare drum. So this is our finished 2x4 snare drum.
This is our remaining bucket of scrap, cutting it very close.
We'd like to thank Summers Woodworking. Christ. This is our finished 2x4 snare drum.
This is our remaining bucket of scrap, cutting it very close.
We'd like to thank Summers Woodworking for hosting this awesome competition.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time.
Good to me?
Yeah. And it was fast.